This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series 36K7 is a Class A RV. It is located in Columbia City, in 46,725 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Fort Wayne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2020 Forest River Georgetown 7 Series 36K7 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.